know this clip? June does this.
Get him. What? What are you doing? Oh my god! What?
So I challenge myself to do the same thing, but I am a Minecraft noob. First I'm gonna do some warm-up in creative. I did some warm-up yesterday as well. Damn. Now let me try again. So yeah, you just saw me, how I almost did it in like only 2 tries. But I wanna try this in survival. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. So yeah, bro, there's no way I can do that. But if you want me to keep going, this video has to get 500 likes. So yeah.